Hi champions, welcome to another video. So you want to sell your products, but you do not have a website. You have an Instagram page, but you can't collect payments on it. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a free website where you can sell your products online for free, no payment necessary, no credit card necessary. So the online platform that I'm gonna talk to you about is Ecwid e-commerce. All right, so guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Vivette, and on this channel, we talk about ways that we can make money online, we can save, we can invest so that we can achieve financial freedom. So many persons are just starting out. They don't have the funds to set up a website, to make the payments and all of that. So this is a platform that you can use to get started without no fee, nothing at all, just free to get started. Okay, so as I said, the platform is Ecwid, and let me show you the pricing plan. All right, so you click on pricing, and see right here, guys, free. Free to start, easy online store to launch your business for free, and you can get started right here. So just click the button here to get started, right? So I had already gone ahead and created an account for this business, fragrance scent, right? And it will walk you through the step as to how you can set up your online store. It's not difficult, guys. It's not difficult. So this is what the dashboard looks like, and here it will tell you, it will show you what the steps that you need to take in order to have your store up and running, right? So you can set up your website and storefront, right? So you can click here and it will tell you exactly what you need to do. You can put in your name, and here you can select whatever theme you want, how you want your website to look, what it supposed to look like. So you can choose from any one of these theme. You go back and you can change the heading here. You can put the description, what your store is all about, how you want it to look, the setup, either full screen, sidebar, left bar, left sidebar, anyhow you want it, guys. So I find that this platform is easy, very easy to use, guys, and you can always come back to your dashboard and to make whatever changes that you want to make to your website. All right, and as I said, it is free, no credit card needed. You can start now. You have your products, you want to sell them, you want to get persons to purchase your stuff. This is a platform you can try it, guys, and set up your store, right? You can set up payment options here. So whether you want to collect payments by PayPal, or you can set up your manual payments, right? You can do cash on delivery, bank transfer, invoice, checks, whatever. You can set up your manual payment method here. Also, you can accept payments online. So if you're living in Jamaica, as you say, it says more options to accept online payments in Jamaica. So you can set up a to accept credit card or debit card payments, right? And guys, it is so easy, and I think that you guys should try it. do some research, but personally for me, I think you should try. You can set up also your shipping, delivery, and pickup options, and you can do local delivery if you want, or you can set up your shipping if you want to send your products overseas. All right, so I know on this channel, on my channel, there is a video of selling Jamaican products online, and a lot of persons seem to enjoy that video. And I showcase that you could set it up on a platform called Etsy, but I had done a subsequent video saying that there are certain countries that you're unable to set up shop and collect payments on Etsy. So this website, this platform, if you want to sell your items, you can use this website and to start out for free, guys, because guess what? We want to, on this channel, we talk about ways that we can make money, we can save money, and many persons just starting out, they don't have the funds to start. So this is a platform where you can start for free and start making some money. All right. So you can go and you can look at the overview of your website, right? And you can preview it here. Guys, there are so many things you can do. Depending on where you're living, you can also sell on, it integrates with like Instagram. You can sell on Instagram, but the thing is, you have to be you have to be in a certain country and you have to upgrade, right? So it's not available for selling on Instagram and Facebook. Is not available in Jamaica based on my research, but you can check to see if they have made new changes to it. But you would have to be in a certain country um, in order for you to do that, right? And also you'd have to probably upgrade to sell on Facebook and Instagram with Ecwid. All right. Um. So guys, that's basically an overview of Ecwid. You can start now and get start earning some money right now, guys. So there's another, and the thing is, on the platform, you can add up to 10 10 items, 10 product items on the platform. So I think this is a great way that you can start. You can always upgrade to put more products on the site. But for starting out, you can you can start with 10 items. This is what the this is just a generic product page, right? And as you can see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, this is saying 9. All right, so 9 products you can have on the platform, right? My apologies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so so one of 9. Right, so guys, so you can start putting your products on this platform and start selling. If you already have a domain, you can put it on it. If you already purchase a domain, you can integrate it with Ecwid and you can start making some money, saving some money, investing so that you can live the life that you want. All right, there's another online platform which is called Big Cartel, and the pricing, it's free to start. There's a free version. See, no credit card needed. And the thing is that this you can only put 5 products on this platform. All right, but I would I would choose Ecwid because you can have 9 products on it, and as I say, you can start for free and you can start earning some money. So guys, if you like the video and you like this content, please subscribe, please like, please share the videos. It really helps out the channel to to be seen by more persons. So please guys, subscribe, like, share, and tell me in the comments if you have ever used Ecwid before, if you're going to use it, or if there is another site that you are currently using. You can share it in the comments that we can all learn. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye guys.